We are here today at the elevator at the Big Spring Summit office building in Huntsville, Alabama.
Oh, we got the pattern there. No Gen 2 voice. Looks like they fixed the buttons. Oh, look, you can see me. You'll have to blur that out.
It's fine. I'll do that.
Ooh, Gen 2 Harmony. We'll get out and look at this because it's cool up here. I think I found where the control room is for the elevator. Because obviously these have to have a control room.
Right.
I'll just send it down.
Check this place out.
I think this is the elevator control room. It's unlocked, whatever it is. Look at this.
Let's check out this view.
Don't look down.
Too late. That building behind that's actually where my dad used to work. Let's take a view from the other side real quick.
Yeah. These sound like they're very busy today.
Yeah. Some reason.
Ooh, look.
Please watch your step.
It looks like we can go out here.
Maybe.
Oh, yeah. Make sure we can get back in. Yes, we can get back in.
Okay, we better. Or else we'll be calling the... Wow.
There's Otis Elevator's office building. There's the Times building.
Times building over there.
The hotel.
Hotel Russell Erskine, which is an apartment complex now.
And then
Regions Center. That's 200 West Scorch Square.
That's where Otis's office building is. I'm going to
Yep.
go look in the elevator over there.
Yeah, that's kind of notice.
No, there's an elevator outside of it.
Oh,
It's just a
I didn't know.
wheelchair lift.
They just built an elevator outside of it now?
It's a wheelchair lift. It's
Oh,
been
it
there
is?
for a while.
Okay.
There's the art museum, and then
Yep.
there's that new apartment complex. And then there's
That's the new AC hotel that's coming soon. Confirmed. There's an outside elevator over there. It's going to have a Schindler either 3100 or 3300. And then hopefully the inside has 5500s.
whatever the outside is, a touch button.
I'm very excited to film the elevator at that building, that hotel.
This looks like we have a wedding.
Yeah.
See, we lost our elevator.
We probably did, but that's okay.
This feels uncomfortable to push for some reason.
It does. Cool, we got the other one.
We got the one that's not the padding. Look, this is why I don't believe it's Gen 2, because look how old the Otis logo is.
Yeah. I agree.
This isn't, no, and look, it would have a cabinet down there.
Yeah. Here's a view of the cab. Very, very beautiful.
It smells like
cab.
pizza in here. It smells like
It smells like Domino's.
Domino's stuff. I'm just kidding.
I like their buffalo chicken.
There's the indicator. Oh, and I lost storage again. But whatever, I got a good video of it.
Yeah. Really good video of it, actually.
Losing storage. I never make good videos.
There's a Christmas
And,
tree.
Let's watch the thing right here. You could send it up to 8. You can watch the annunciator.
This one's the one we were in.
Another reason why I don't believe it used to be. Another reason why I believe it was Series 1 before.
Yeah, I agree with you on that. I don't know why they...
This is like a really advanced system.
Yeah. That'll be it.